We're going to pick up on that theme of the inflation report and take you to Brussels. Chris Burns is standing by with a few more details. Chris.
Deirdre, yes, as you just heard, the inflation rate falling flat to 0% last month. That's the first time in 13 years, the 13 years since they've kept records on that. Inflation has fallen steadily since the crisis began, and some people expect it to stay flat for some time, perhaps even go into the negatives. This is all in part because companies, of course, cutting prices as a result of this recession and a 50% drop in energy prices over the past year. But this is what's tricky. Even the ECB expects perhaps even deflation, prices to go down over the next couple of months, but they could see it coming back later in the year. And in part, we see even this in this report today. They say that labor costs rose 3.7% in the first quarter. That's more than analysts expected. That's what's tricky there.
And I mean, Chris, what does this mean for the ECB then next month?
Well, there is quite a debate right now over exit strategy from these stimulus programs and cutting interest rates versus not killing off the green shoots that we're starting to see here. The ECB Council member Ewald Novotny says that it would be premature to get out of the exit strategy now. He said it would be very dangerous, in his words. We are still in a crisis, he says. Think of the record drop in Eurozone manufacturing in April we just heard about the last couple of days. The ECB believes the Euro region will contract by about 4.6% this year. And as you heard, on the other hand, though, the ZEW investors in Germany, they rose more than expected. So got up and down here.
So, Chris, disparate voices then in the ECB. I mean, just how big is the split?
Well, very much. In fact, there are some who agree with Novotny, but others on the other side, like Axel Weber of Germany, he says he wants to raise rates and withdraw this 80 billion euro plan, a dollar plan to buy commercial paper as soon as there are signs of the economy turning around. He warns of another asset bubble if they don't pull out quickly.
Chris, we thank you so much. Chris Burns reporting there live from Brussels.